Hey guys, Ryan from Throttlestop Motorsports in Elkhart Lake, Wisconsin. Today we're going to be focusing on the engine build process for one of our restorations we have going on in-house. So Throttlestop started out as more or less a motorcycle museum, but the problem was we couldn't find anybody to work on our motorcycles when they needed repair or whatever the work might be. So we decided that it was time to open up a vintage motorcycle repair facility that we can address our own projects as well as projects that other people bring to us. And whether that be a full restoration or just minor maintenance, tires, oil changes, whatever it might be. So this CB750 came to us actually from another shop. It was, the restoration process had been started, but was just kind of abandoned almost right at the beginning. The engine had been taken out, taken apart. The frame had been attempted to be restored, but really nothing that the previous shop did was correct. So we started with getting the pistons into the cylinders. It's a little unorthodox way of going about it, but I feel it's a lot easier to get the pistons in the cylinders, then lower the cylinders on and hook up the connecting rods to the crankshaft. After that, we'll get the crankcase with the chains, we'll get the transmission installed, shift forks, shift drum, and then we'll put some sealer on it and seal it up, bolt it together, and get onto the head. The next part of the build will be assembling the cylinder head. We have new valves, we had new guides installed. It'll get new valve guide seals. All of the valve train components that are being reused have been vibratory polished, ultrasonic cleaned, and ready for install. So now that we got this thing all buttoned up, we'll do a quick bench compression test, make sure that all our work is correct before we put the engine in the frame. And thanks for joining us today. If you have any CB750s that you need worked on or any other vintage Japanese or European bike, feel free to reach out, give us a call, shoot us an email, stop by. We'd love to help.